Microsegmentation, next-generation segmentation technology provided by Help AG. The threat of lateral movement is a risk identified by CISOs as being one of their main security concerns. Infrastructures are complex and with time only expand in order to support business requirements. This includes environment extensions to cloud and container-based technologies and applications. Expansion and migration to new environments does not necessarily mean greater security. Often the same security challenges are still present in these new environments. It only takes a matter of seconds for a threat to proliferate through the entire infrastructure. The idea of segmentation is to prevent threats from spreading laterally by building internal defenses between the areas of the environment, be it the data center, cloud, or container. Imagine a submarine designed with no interior segmentation. A single breach in the hull would result in flooding and catastrophic failure. Now, look what happens when watertight bulkheads are introduced throughout the vessel. A breach in the hull will result in flooding, but that flooding can be contained and managed and does not result in catastrophic failure. Segmentation in computing ecosystems works in fundamentally the same way to prevent the lateral movement of system threats, and, very importantly, to satisfy external regulators, to meet compliance standards, and for zero trust initiatives. Segmentation is currently implemented in one of two ways, using either network-based segmentation or SDN-based segmentation. Both are effective, but pose significant challenges that include the need for multiple administration points, policy that is tied to IP addresses, applications that are often not conveniently located relative to the network boundaries, and segmentation capabilities often being inconsistent across different devices. The challenge with existing technologies is that the segmentation and security are so tightly connected that any initiative to achieve microsegmentation will lead to a significant increase in operational effort and investment in the existing infrastructure. However, there is a better, more agile, and more flexible way that microsegmentation can be achieved by decoupling security segmentation from the underlying infrastructure. The Light Microsegmentation agent is installed on the operating system and feeds context and telemetry data to the intelligent machine learning controller. The controller analyzes the received telemetry data and generates a real-time application dependency map. This provides insight into the number of workloads within an application and how the application components communicate with each other. This in turn facilitates diagnostic and prognostic analysis of the ecosystem behaviors and vulnerabilities and provides unprecedented visibility and knowledge to your security team. Newly acquired visibility and knowledge enables the security team to utilize the policy generator and create security instructions with a high level of granularity. It is important to mention that the desired security policies do not necessarily depend on IP addresses. The controller is designed to orchestrate and provide security instructions to agents installed on the selected devices, which, in turn, activate and configure the native operating system firewall. This makes the network-wide microsegmentation comprehensive, practically instantaneous, and 100% visible to your security team at device and environment level, all of which is achieved without the need for costly system-wide investment in infrastructure and with the absolute minimum of impact on all the endpoints themselves.